merge Fortnite accounts. So in this video I will show you how to merge Fortnite accounts. Now first of all, type on Google Fortnite account merge. Now click on the official websites, Epic Games. Now after you open it, now as you can see, there is no way to merge two Epic Games accounts. Player support is enabled to assist with requests for merging accounts. So if you want to connect an Xbox, PlayStation or Switch account to your Epic Games account, follow these steps. So we won't go to do that, just click on contact us. Now as you can see, choose the platform. As you can see, make sure that your information is right. Now after that, choose the platform that you are using. For me, I will choose PC like this. Now in the accounts, choose Fortnite, and the reason, just select linked or console accounts. Now here type so as you can see, hello, I am having trouble with my current PC account, which is linked to my Epic account. I need help linking it to my PlayStation account. I've been trying for the past few seasons without any success. Could you please assist me? So if you have any files like picture, you can drag and drop in it here. Now after that, click on submit an email request. So as you can see, your request has been submitted. Now you can wait just for 2 days or 3 days. So this is how to merge Fortnite accounts. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.